Okay, so this is how you're gonna make coffee with new Delonghi espresso machine. So the first thing, you're gonna make sure there is water inside. There is about half now, so it should be enough. So you turn it on, and this is gonna come on, and you need to wait until OK sign comes on. It usually takes about a minute or two to come on. Now, you put some coffee here. So this one is a double shot, so if you fill it up until the top it's double. I'm cheating and I'm sort of putting a little bit less, just trying to stay away from too much caffeine. So you can do like 1.5, but so let's say this is a little bit less than double shot. We're gonna press it, and then here you close it and you put the coffee, and then you press it on and wait till it comes out. Now it depends how much you want it, if you want it long or short. I usually like it a little bit longer, so I let it run a little bit longer. In the meantime, you can put milk in for your cappuccino, maybe a little bit more. All right. And a couple more seconds. A lot of people would find this to be very, very long, but I like it like this. You can see the texture is pretty good. So let me quickly clean this up. Okay, now I'm gonna make the second one. No, I can keep rolling. So I'm gonna do the same thing. Press. Okay, so we are done with this guy. We can put it right here. And second cup. Here we go. Now we are done with this. Just grab it here. So I do the same thing, I let it run a little bit longer. If you squeeze more, then you can get like a little bit more cream out of it. But this is how I dial it in, and I like it. So what can you do? So it's basically, this one is on, this one is pouring down coffee, and this one is off. And once this one is done, what we're gonna do, we're gonna stop it and we're gonna turn it all the way here for to make a milk for cappuccino. And then this on top one is gonna tell you when it's open or closed. So now it's closed because we want water to go down. Eventually, when this gets okay, we're gonna open it and the steam is gonna come out here. I have it here. This one actually comes with one for like a simple espresso, so you don't have to like worry about it, but I don't really use it. I prefer to do it manually, but if you want you can use it, up to you. So now it's on, so I'm just gonna open this guy all the way. You can see it sort of has a lot of power, and it sort of makes a nice froth. We're gonna take a couple more seconds, maybe 15. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Alright, it's getting there, so I'm gonna turn it off now, but you don't have to. I can see here that it's 55 degrees. I like it to be 60. So each one has its own preference of how warm your milk you want to be. So I'm gonna turn it off. I'm gonna leave it on the side for a second. And I'm just gonna clean it up. So that's one thing. And now I'm gonna push the water out by turning it to a coffee with open. So if it's open, and if I push the water, it's gonna push the water out on the side. Move this out. And now it's pushing hot water out. This is basically just to clean it. A little bit more. That's enough. You don't really have to do this if you don't want to, but I just like to leave it clean, and hot water tend to do the best job. There we go. Now, it's just a matter of putting a little bit of milk in. So again, it's how much you want it. Here. One with less milk for you, one with more milk for me. Job done.